Good morning, welcome back to the channel, or buongiorno. It's our last full day here in Italy, so we'll be going up early tomorrow morning because flight out is at 10:15. So today we're going to Pisa and Lucca. So we've got breakfast at 7:30, not going till 8:30, and we'll see you when we get to Pisa first. Bye for now. Right, we arrived in Pisa, parked in Coach Park, so we're catching a little train into Pisa itself. So we'll see you on the little train. Right, here we are. Come on the little train. Right, we worked his way through Tatali.
It's got some nice tops down there.
Tatali and Pickpocket Alley. And this should be the entrance to the tower and the cathedral up here. Oh no, we've got some more.
A little cat?
Heads galore. You could empty your bank account before you even get to Square, couldn't you? Here we are. Right, we got his earpiece in, we got the guide. Go meet up with him then. So here we are. Pisa Cathedral Square and the Leaning Tower at far end. It's very busy. So we're going in the cathedral.
No, we are going to somebody just explain the other side and outside. Then like don't jump over there because it's very dangerous.
Okay. And do I have to be at the ticket office at 11 or at the tower?
We're inside the church.
A lot of paintings of Caravaggio. Well, not only Rome. If you go to the island of Malta, a lot of works of Caravaggio as well. Because they destroyed the Arabic mosque in Palermo. All the columns of that Arabic mosque in Palermo taken, transported from Sicily to Pisa by boat. Jesus, you can see Byzantine influence. That means, if you look at the figure of Jesus right in the middle of the mosaic, because of the gold color, you can't find any perspective. That's why I told you before Byzantine, because
It's a lovely church, cathedral, basilica, we'd like to call it, but it's beautiful. Got a lot of history in his ear going off. Got lots more to see yet. He's a very good guide, this one, I must admit. A bit of a comedian. No, we didn't. We didn't really have time to look at anything, did we, really?
From the left-hand side. Okay, but be on time is the most important. 3 white.
Well, it's certainly a magnificent place, must admit. Don't show the lane from this side. Amount of people taking pictures and trying to hold up the tower. Unbelievable. Don't think I'll bother. Yeah, they're all around that area taking the pictures of trying to hold the tower up. Right, so it's time to leave Pisa, and next up is Lucca, isn't it? So we're looking forward to Lucca. So that says visit to Pisa. Glad we got in the Basilica anyway, it's beautiful in there, isn't it? And we're off to Lucca now, so I'm not sure how long this video will be. So Lucca may be on the end, if not, it'll be a separate video. So we'll see you from Pisa, not Pisa, because we had Pisa last night. Pisa, and we'll see you in Lucca. So bye from here, and hopefully we'll see you in Lucca in a bit. Bye.
अंदर जाने के लिए टिकट लेनी पड़ेगी।